Hello again, fourth graders. We're going to take a look at some decoding skills right now. And in front of you, you see a word. You should know what that word is. That word is middle. So if we were to take this word middle and we were to divide it into syllables, it would look like this. And do you know why we would divide it where it is? Okay. Do you see the final schwa plus the L at the end of the word when we say middle? So I'd like to remind you that the final schwa plus the L, the L sound, can be spelled three different ways. And if you take a look at this chart, you can see the three different spellings. So the word can end with an LE, as in whistle or table. The word might end with an EL, such as bagel and quarrel, or the word might end with an AL, such as the words total and global. But they all contain that final schwa plus the L sound, the L sound. Okay, so let's look at an example. In front of you, you see a sentence, and I'm going to pretend that I don't recognize the two underlined words. I see the word struggle. I see the V, C, 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 V pattern in the middle of it, and I also see the LE ending. I know that the LE ending makes the final schwa plus the L sound, and that it can combine with a consonant to form a final unstressed syllable. Let me try reading it aloud. Struggle, struggle. That sounds like a word that I know. But I still don't recognize the second underlined word. I see the EL at the end, and I know that would be in an unstressed syllable because it looks like the final schwa plus the L pattern that I've learned. I also see the CK. I know those two consonants go together to make one sound. I'll try it with the short vowel A in the first syllable. Mackerel, mackerel, mackerel. Yes, that sounds right. A mackerel is a type of fish.